bestbookbits.com brings you the book The Maze of Life, Seeking Success and Finding Spirituality by Michael George Knight. Chapter 6, Decision, the moment your life changes direction. A single decision can change the trajectory of your life. Not a plan, not a wish, not a dream, a decision. Decisions are the hinges that swing the doors of your destiny. Every breakthrough, every failure, every transformation, they all started with a choice. And here is the truth most people avoid. Certain outcomes come with certain decisions. Every decision produces a result. Every result leads to an outcome. You cannot escape this sequence. Eric Thomas was right. The math always adds up. The life you're living today is the result of decisions you made yesterday. The life you live tomorrow depends on the decisions you make right now. Decision is the future domino. There is a moment, small, quiet, often private, where you decide. In that moment alone, you instantly gain 50% of the result. Why? Because the hardest part isn't doing. The hardest part is deciding. Just once you decide, momentum starts. Once you decide, resistance weakens. Once you decide, life rearranges itself around that commitment. The universe responds to decisiveness. Opportunities appear for those who declare what they want. Life's hardest decision is a decision to be yourself. Most people never become themselves. They become who their parents needed them to be, who society rewarded, who their fans allowed, who their trauma created, who their environment shaped. The world trains us to fit in, but your soul is built to stand out. Being yourself is the bravest decision you will ever make, and it must be made again and again. Every honest decision moves you closer to the real identity. Every dishonest one moves you further away. Decisions shape identity. Every decision is a vote. Every choice you make is a ballot you cast toward the person you are becoming. Skip the workout, you vote for the unfit version of you. Speak honestly, you vote for the courageous version of you. Break a promise, you vote against your own self-trust. Do the hard thing, you vote for the discipline, you. Your future self is built one vote at a time. Ask yourself daily, is this decision voting towards the person I want to become, or just more of the same? Hard decisions equal easy life. Easy decisions equals hard life. This is one of the most reliable formulas in human behavior. The hard decision to save money leads to financial ease. The hard decision to exercise leads to physical ease. The hard decision to set boundaries leads to emotional ease. The hard decision to learn skills leads to professional ease. But the easy decisions, they lead to difficulty. Comfort now is suffering later. Discipline now is freedom later. Your future self is begging you to choose the hard thing today. You must decide what you don't want. Most people try to choose what they want, but they still carry a life filled with what they don't want. You cannot pour clean water into a dirty container and pretend it's pure. Decide what you don't want to do and what you would love to do. This is where clarity begins. Subtracting what drains you so you can add what you grow. Strategy is a decision. Saying no is a skill. Michael Porter. People think strategy is planning. It's not. Strategy is a choice. Strategy is deciding what you won't do, who you won't serve, which opportunities you won't chase, which paths you won't walk. Every yes without a no attached is a trap. Every yes has a cost. Every yes is a trade. Your life becomes powerful when your no becomes clear. Stress equals broken commitments with yourself. Stress is not just emotional, it is a spiritual debt. Humans suck at keeping promises to themselves. And that is why so many people are stressed, not because of workload, but because of self-betrayal. When you make a decision and break it, your mind loses trust, your spirit loses strength, your confidence loses energy. The cure, decide smaller, follow through fully. Consistency rebuilds trust in yourself. Every day you choose stress or peace. Every day places a choice in your hands. React to everything or respond to what matters. Get pulled into drama or stay anchored into clarity. Practice stress or practice peace. Peace is not a gift, it is a decision, repeated daily. Stress is not a condition, It is a practice repeated unconsciously. Choose your practice. It becomes your personality. Your personality becomes your reality. Feeling sad after a decision doesn't make it wrong. Sometimes choosing the right thing hurts. Leaving a relationship, quitting a job, moving cities, setting boundaries, letting go of comfort, outgrowing people. Sadness is not a sign of a wrong decision. Sadness is a sign that something meaningful has ended. Courage feels like grief. Growth feels like loss. Evolution feels like uncertainty. But feelings do not determine truth. Actions do. The 3 decisions that shape your destiny. Tony Robbins outlined the 3 decisions that control your entire life. 1. What you focus on. Where your focus goes, energy flows. Focus creates your emotional state. 2. What meaning to assign. Nothing has inherent meaning. You give it meaning through your interpretation. Meaning shapes your behavior. And 3. What to do next. Action is destiny. Your choices sculpt your future. Master these 3 decisions and you master your life. Stop blaming others. Your choices are yours. Christian Shaw reveals the uncomfortable truth: we blame others for the decisions we make. I had no choice. Yes, you did. They made me do it. No, they didn't. Life forced my hand. Life showed you a path. You walked it. You cannot change anything. You continue to blame. Ownership is the blueprint of empowerment. We always have the ability to choose, even when it feels like you don't. You do. You can choose your mindset. You can choose your response. You can choose your meaning. You can choose your focus. You can choose your effort. You can choose your direction, your identity, your habits, and you can choose your standards. Circumstances influence you, but they do not define you. Choice is your superpower. You are the product of your decisions, not your circumstances. Circumstances explain, but decisions define. People raised in the same house with the same struggles, with the same opportunities, became completely different adults. Why? Decisions. The decisions to grow or stay stuck, to learn or to complain, to heal or to blame, to risk or to retreat, to try or to quit, to rise or to collapse. Your life is not a story of what happened to you. It is a story of what you decided to do about it. Conclusion. Decision is destiny. Every major turning point in your life began with one decision. I want better. I deserve better. I will do better. Decision initiates transformation. Decision activates courage. Decision awakens power. Your next level is not waiting for motivation, timing, or permission. It is waiting for you to decide. And that's a wrap on this chapter, Decision. Stick around for the next chapter, Discipline, the Warrior Within, from the book The Maze of Life, Seeking Success and Finding Spirituality, written by myself, Michael George Knight. Stick around.